Hey guys, let's say hello to the viewers.
Hello everyone, I'm so excited for this trip. The weather is so good, so nice to trip today. So, can we go now?
Nice to hear that.
For this morning, we will arrive at Halilac Forest Park, ตำบลน้ำหมานเลย Province. Then let's see what we can do here and why we will recommend you about this place.
The Halilac Forest Park is suitable for taking a rest. In the middle of the forest park is the man reservoir. In the morning, it will have the fog floating on the water, the scenery of the bamboo forest and the mountain around the reservoir. That is suitable for camping so much. For the people who love camping, could come with a group, couple or camp alone. You can come to camping for free.
Okay, we have recommend you about this place already. It's time to play game.
Alright, game on.
Hours later.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We are Lemon Tour. Today we will recommend another attraction in life.
The weather is so good. Let's find some drink first.
Let's go.
Let's go. Now we at 24/8 Special Coffee Cafe. It's a small cafe decorated with white tone minimal style. So lovely. Open now in Lei Provide.
A few moments later.
For the parking space, will a bit hard to find, but we want you to come for tasting barista cup. In Loi was no cafe sale. The 30 coffee menu that was so exciting.
The cafe has a good atmosphere. It's not crowded. Some tables is close to the wall for the customer can appear. The table size was not too small. It made me feel so relaxed.
Okay, so let's try green tea first. It smells good. Actually, I am a green tea lover and I like it because it is very delicious. You should try.
Yes, and it is ice chocolate. It is so delicious and so sweet.
So we're gonna try this cookie. It is red velvet cookie. It's so delicious.
Yeah.
Relation Beach is located in downtown.
This bridge is in the middle of the river. and it is nice place for photo taking because in every festival will decorate like on the bridge.
Yes, I'm first.
Hey, not for long.
Let's call it a door.
Oh, nice race, man. Sorry for that.
It's okay.
For the last place is Lolly Walking Street or Night Market.
This is located in front of the Loi municipality office and open on the Saturday afternoon, just one day. The Lolly Walking Street has the many kind of the store, like the local food or any restaurant.
The fashion like the handcraft shoes, bag, or the local handcraft. The gift shop like the handcraft gift and the electrical shop.
For the special thing of Lolly Walking Street is Thai Culture Road.
Yes, it is every Saturday night will has the counter art show that show the culture of Thailand and co-conversation relate the culture art and local tradition of Loi province. For in response to government policy and the Ministry of Culture of Loi province.
Want to travel like us Lemon Tour?
Feel free to contact us with information below.
Thank you for watching the video.